Welcome to this lecture. I'm just going to give you an overview of what you will have learnt by the end of this course. So to start off with, you'll have a good idea of what mind maps are in general, how to use them. Then you'll be completely up and running with Xmind, the free software you can download off the web. That'll include the installation and then pretty much most of the features of the free version of Xmind. You'll also have had your mind opened to mind mapping itself, and although we'll be concentrating on a particular part of mind mapping, which is for the dashboard, once you've seen mind mapping working, it'll open a whole new world of actually how to use mind maps for various parts of your life. If you're new to course production on Udemy, you'll have a very good idea of exactly how to get going with producing a course. So we'll go through the roadmap, even conceiving what courses to do. So the whole process of producing an online course on Udemy, we will have gone through. Then we will have actually produced a dashboard itself. So the dashboard we're going to use is going to be for this particular course, but at the end of the course, you've basically got a template which can be plugged into any course you wish to produce. And finally, by the end of the course, you're going to have a structure and a dashboard that's going to save you a huge amount of time and make your whole video production an absolute breeze, just using the dashboard and the resources that you need for your course. So look forward to seeing you in the next lecture.